What is going on with silver? Back in February, silver was under $22 an ounce. Now it's above $28. What happened? This is Coins Roc. Stay tuned as I explain. After several years of negative to flat performance, silver has suddenly caught on fire. Year-to-date, silver is up over 16%, beating gold, which is up 12%. Is this increase sustainable, or will prices drop as quickly as they rose? Let's look at some of the factors moving silver. First, global silver demand for 2024 is expected to rise to 1.2 billion ounces. If this level is achieved, it would be the second highest demand ever. This would be an overall increase of about 1%, pushed higher by the continued strength of industrial uses, along with a recovery in both jewelry and silverware demand. Industrial usage is forecast to post a 4% increase this year to a record 690 million ounces. Key drivers are the solar panel and the automotive industries. Solar panel installations will benefit from new technologies that have created higher efficiency panels which require greater use of silver. In the automotive industry, there are two factors at work. First is greater use of electronic components, and second, expanding battery charging infrastructure both increase the demand for silver. 2023 was a soft year for consumer electronics. 2024 is expected to see a recovery. AI-related applications should lead to the introduction of new products, which is a positive for silver. Silver demand is expected to increase globally by 6%, and India is responsible for much of this increase. This follows a post-COVID surge in 2021, followed by a sharp pullback in 2022 and 2023. Meanwhile, demand in the US and Europe, consumer demand continues to be soft. Global silverware demand in India will lift fabrication by an estimated 9%. Silver for physical investments is projected to fall by 6% to a 4-year low, with much of the decline coming from the US. Europe and India are looking for a modest recovery this year, compared with a depressed 2023. Even with a recovery, Europe's totals will stay near multi-year lows. On the supply side, global silver is forecast to increase by 3% this year to an 8-year high of over 1 billion ounces. Silver mine production is expected to rise 4% to 843 million ounces. Silver production from base metal mines, where the silver is a byproduct, is expected to decrease, especially as zinc mines close due to weak zinc prices. Silver recycling is expected to decline by 3% to a 3-year low. Jewelry, silverware, and photographic are all expected to be lower. Only industrial recycling is expected to increase. The bottom line on supply and demand is that silver is expected to remain in a deficit in 2024. This is the 4th year of a market deficit, which is projected to be 176 million ounces. By historical standards, this is still exceptionally high. The deficits are covered by drawing down existing stockpiles. As an investment, silver was disappointing in 2022 and 2023, causing a lot of investors to give up, while the stock market and Bitcoin reached level highs. 2024 could be silver's time to stand out as an investment. Gold has been performing well, and at some point it tends to pull up silver, though the silver tends to be more volatile. Interest rate cuts will be a positive for gold and silver, as this weakens the US dollar, which should be bullish for metals. At this point, it's looking like 2024 will be silver's best year in quite a while. Remember, this is not investment advice, just my opinion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.